Welcome back to another video on Fortimanager. So in this video, what I'm going to do, I will be adding a Fortianalyzer to the Fortimanager and I will configure Fortigate Firewall to send logs to Fortianalyzer. Okay. So Fortianalyzer and the Fortigate Firewall will be centrally managed by this Fortimanager, and all the logs, security logs or local traffic logs from the firewall will be sent to Fortianalyzer. So we can check the logs by logging directly onto Fortianalyzer, or we can check logs from the manager, centralized manager. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I will enable Fortimanager FMG access. The interface, I'll go to system setting, network, and then I added this interface, which will be communicating with the manager. I will enable this option for Fortimanager. Click OK. And then I will go to manager, select this option, and analyzer. I will put the IP of my analyzer. IP of my analyzer is this one, 91.32. This IP here. I will put admin username and password. And next. Now manager will discover analyzer. Initial information it is discovered. Change the name, lab underscore analyzer, and next. Now it is discovering any add-on or devices which are already added in Fortianalyzer. So it is showing that no device is added in the analyzer, only one firewall is there, which is only in Fortimanager. Okay. So I will not select this and synchronize add-on and devices. So now my analyzer is added. I will go to analyzer dashboard, refresh, and I will check my Fortigate firewall is here. This 48, which is managed by Fortimanager. So once analyzer is added to manager, okay, then manager uh, push this Fortigate firewall information to Fortianalyzer, and analyzer has added all this information and added that firewall into its database. Now it is ready to accept the logs. But if you see here, this is all red. It is showing status is down. What we need to do, we need some configuration on the Fortigate firewall. We need to tell Fortigate Firewall to send all the configurations to, all the logs information to this Fortianalyzer. So we will go to manage devices, my firewall, then log report, log setting, remote logging and archive. I will enable this option, send logs to Fortianalyzer/manager. I will put the IP of my analyzer. I can select any of these options. For my lab purpose, I will select this every minute. And this option should be enabled. Reliable logging to Fortianalyzer, then apply. Now I will push these configurations to Fortigate. Make sure if there is any firewall or some policy in between your Fortianalyzer and the Fortigate firewall, then you should allow this flow. Install. Let's wait for it to complete. It's finished, completed. Now we'll go to Fortigate to see if there is communication between analyzer and the Fortigate. I will check first locally on the firewall. Okay, login read only. And if I go to security fabric connector, you can see fabric analyzer is connected. If I go to Fortianalyzer dashboard, okay, it is also green. It means device status is up, logging is real time. And if I go to log view, logs, and lab manager, so my logs will come here. For now, there is no logs or no traffic on my firewall. That's why I'm not able to see any logs. So I can check logs locally on the Fortianalyzer dashboard under log view and logs. And I can also see the device level logs on the Fortimanager itself. We have to go to Fortimanager, then log view, then logs. Okay. And to Fortinet logs, here I selected, if you select this Fortianalyzer. So if Fortianalyzer is selected here, so it means the Fortianalyzer is a part of Fortimanager, and like it is synced with Fortimanager, and it is taking all the logs from the managed devices. So here it is also showing my one firewall which is sending logs. Okay, and on the Fortianalyzer I can go to all device and then select my lab analyzer. This is logs related to my analyzer. If I go to Fortigate, okay, and lab manager, it shows all the logs related to my firewall. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.